Hey YouTube, thanks for clicking into this video and watching. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Obviously, I'm sitting on the floor. So as you can tell by the title, I did purchase a Zomei 18-inch dimmable LED ring light. And I did this because obviously I need it for my YouTube channel. And also I want to take a lot better quality pictures than what I can without it. So I purchased this off of Amazon and I used Amazon Prime, so I got the the free 2-day shipping. I got this product for $96.99 at the time when I got it. So it was a little bit pricier than some of the other ring lights, but it's okay. That is all right, because usually if it's more expensive, it's better quality. So anyway, so basically what I'm doing today is I'm going to be doing the unboxing, and I am going to be setting up this ring light. So basically this, it came in this huge box right here, huge Amazon Prime box, and inside of it, I've already opened up the box. I don't know if you can see this. Inside of it, it comes in a smaller box. So I'm just gonna take this out. Okay, kind of heavy. So it comes in this box right here. It comes in a smaller box. And on here it says LED ring light. It's ultra thin design, stylish appearance, 360 flicker free light source, halo eyes lighting effect, nearly shadowless light. And then it says it's lightweight and it's portable. So that's what it says on the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening this. I'm gonna move that out of the way. And in here, okay, so I'm pulling out a box and let's see. Okay, so I'm sure this is the adapter to plug in the LED light, the ring light. And then it comes with this case in here. And it says Zomei on the front. This case, I guess, is like the portable case for it. I'm assuming the actual ring light is in here. I'm gonna check to see. Yeah. So in here, it actually has bubble wrapping on it. And then here is the ring light. It's actually pretty big. It's actually very big. I actually wasn't expecting it to be this big, but it is 18 inches, so it's like almost 2 feet. But yeah, so that's that. Let me see. In here also is I guess this is just like a limited warranty type flyer. And then these are the directions right here. So it comes with the directions in there. What else? Okay, so there's something else in here. And this is like a little felt bag. It's actually pretty cute. And let's see what this has. Okay, so this is like the phone holder that it comes with. That's in here. And then this, I'm assuming it holds the phone up. Like it attaches to the phone holder. And this is what it looks like. And this is what the phone holder looks like. And it does come with screws, so you can either sit it up this way, or there's another one on the back right here, so you can like sit it this way. So this way or this way. And then also it does fit larger phones. because it does stretch like this. Okay, so that's good because I have a bigger phone. So this box is still heavy, so let me see. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the stand in here. It's the last thing I need. Okay, and this is the stand. So I guess, let me just open it. So it's like it's upside down. So I guess you just like, oh, and then there's a knob here, and this is to like loosen it up so you can, I guess, push this down like this. There we go. Okay, so it has this little dial right here. You would have to tighten this up to make the stand more stable. And so you just tighten that up. And then here, this is where it gets longer. And it has kind of like 3 different levels. So at the top right here, it has like this little screw. And for this LED light, it does have this thing right here. And you have to just put it like straight up and down. And then the screw is gonna attach to this bottom piece right here. So you just set it on top. Hang on. And it has another little knob on the LED light too. So you turn this knob right here, and this tightens it to hold the actual ring light on. So then after that, you know, you can move this like back and forth how you want. You know what I mean? You can move it back and forth how you want. It is a little bit too tall for me still, so I'm just gonna move this down just slightly, cause I'm short. I'm short and it's too tall. So this is what it's looking like. It's pretty much almost set up. I just got one more thing to do. It's pretty easy to set up. I just got to put the phone holder on here. So I'm going to bring this just a little bit closer. So basically, you would screw this bottom part onto the screw. And then it does have this little this knob right here. I think this controls like this pivot thing right here. And this pivot, hang on. Yeah, it controls the pivot so you can move your phone however you need to have it, the phone holder. And so just screw this on top. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set up somewhere else. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and show you how the light settings work. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys up close how it looks from the back. This is obviously the phone holder. Back here, this is the adapter that you plug into the wall. Makes the light come on, obviously. And then as you can see, it has 2 dials on the back. This one, I believe, is for the brightness. And this one is like the color change of it. So from the front, all I did was turn it on, and this is what it's looking like. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you like the brightness of it. So it's pretty bright. This is the brightness all the way up. It brightens up the whole room. I can barely look at it. So then I turned it back down a little bit. So then you can change the different colors. And what I mean by that is you can make it more warm. And this is like the warmest setting right here. Or you can make it like in between or more blue. And this is like the blue setting right here. So it's pretty cool. So, and also when you do change the lighting of it or whatever, the warm temperature of it, you can also change the brightness too while you do that. So it gets pretty bright. So now what I'm gonna do here in a second is I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks on my face. Okay guys, so obviously I have it set towards my face. I don't even have the brightness all the way up, but I'm just gonna show you like the different settings on my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out with like the lowest brightness. So this is off right here and the quality is terrible. This is just regular on. So then this is, let me make sure it is the blue setting. Okay, so this setting right here is the coolest setting, and the lowest brightness, yeah. So I'm gonna brighten it up and very, very bright, and it just keeps going. This is how bright it gets. I can barely see, it's hurting my eyes. This is how bright it gets, so that's not bad. So I'm gonna turn the brightness all the way back down and change the temperature to warmer, change up the brightness. Pretty bright. And then I'm gonna change it to the warmest temperature. Okay, and this is the warmest right here. And this is the brightest. It's pretty bright. I like it though. I just can't see right now. So, I know I'm like, just like messing with my whole like color background and stuff. But anyway, so this is the Zomei 18-inch dimmable ring light, and honestly, I would rate it a 10 out of 10 or 5 stars, whatever you want to call it. Like, I would rate it 100% like good, because it's awesome. Like, this ring light is just like everything. Like, I can change it to exactly how I want it to be, how I want the temperature to be, how bright or not bright I want it to be. Like, I can change it to anything I want. And not only that, but it comes with the phone holder, so you don't have to buy a separate piece for the phone holder. It comes with everything that you need, and you're just set. Like, you don't need anything else, and I love it. And I definitely think it is worth the money for sure, because, you know, for this grade of quality, I feel like it definitely could have been priced more expensive. But yeah, so this is the ring light, and if you guys like this video, I know it's different. If you guys like it though, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, please. And yeah, I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.